Hey there, marketers! It's your friend, IMR, here to give you the inside scoop on the future of digital marketing. If you're not leveraging AI, you're already falling behind. Today we're diving deep into the world of ChatGPT and how you can use it to absolutely crush your marketing goals. We're talking more leads, higher engagement, and ultimately, more revenue. So buckle up because we're about to unlock the power of AI for your business. Today, we're diving into the 5 best ways to use ChatGPT for digital marketing. Stick around because these tips will help you get started right away and boost your marketing game. Let's be real, churning out high-quality content day after day can be a grind. But what if I told you there's a way to create engaging blog posts, captivating social media updates, and even high-converting ad copy, all without breaking a sweat? That's where ChatGPT comes in. This AI powerhouse can generate all sorts of written content, freeing up your time and mental energy to focus on the bigger picture. But here's the key. You need to know how to talk to it. Think of ChatGPT as your super-powered writing assistant. To get the best results, you need to give it clear, specific instructions. So instead of just asking for a blog post about SEO, tell it you want a 1,000-word article on the latest Google algorithm update, with a focus on actionable tips for small businesses. See the difference? The more specific your prompts, the more targeted and effective your content will be. And here's a pro tip. Don't be afraid to experiment. Play around with different writing styles, tones, and formats. You might be surprised at what this tool can come up with. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool, and like any tool, it's all about using it effectively. So get creative, experiment, and watch your content output skyrocket. Take the time to review, edit, and add your own unique flair. This ensures your content is not only informative and engaging but also authentically you. ChatGPT is just the starting point. We all know how important customer support is. But let's face it, responding to the same queries day in and day out can be a drain on your resources. That's where ChatGPT can become your secret weapon. Imagine having a 24/7 AI-powered support team that can handle those frequently asked questions, giving your human agents more time to focus on complex issues. Sounds pretty good, right? With ChatGPT you can create automated responses for common customer queries like order tracking, return policies, or product information. This not only saves you time and money but also provides instant support to your customers, improving their overall experience. But here's where it gets really interesting. ChatGPT can learn and adapt over time. By training it on your specific FAQs and customer interactions, you can teach it to handle increasingly complex questions and provide more personalized responses. The key here is to start small. Begin by automating responses to your most common queries, and gradually expand the AI's knowledge base. Regularly review and refine its responses to ensure accuracy and consistency. And remember, even with the most advanced AI, there will always be situations where human intervention is necessary. The goal is not to replace your human support team, but to empower them to be more efficient and effective. By using ChatGPT to handle those routine inquiries, you free up your human agents to focus on what they do best, building relationships and resolving complex issues. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Think about the language you use, the emojis you include, and the overall feeling you want to convey. Remember, even in the digital age, people crave human connection. By striking the right balance between automation and personalization, you can create a customer support experience that is both efficient and engaging. Social media can feel like a full-time job, right? Between crafting engaging posts, scheduling them at the optimal times, responding to comments, and analyzing all that data, it's easy to get overwhelmed. But what if I told you there's a way to streamline your social media efforts and boost your engagement without breaking a sweat? You guessed it, ChatGPT to the rescue. This AI powerhouse can be your secret weapon for social media domination. From drafting attention-grabbing captions to scheduling posts at peak engagement times, ChatGPT can automate those tedious tasks, freeing up your time to focus on strategy and creativity. But here's where it gets really interesting. ChatGPT can also help you understand your audience better. By analyzing your social media data, it can identify trends, patterns, and insights that you might have missed. This information can then be used to tailor your content, target your ads more effectively, and even predict future trends. It's like having a crystal ball for your social media strategy. And the best part? ChatGPT is constantly learning and evolving. As you interact with it and provide feedback, it becomes more accurate, more efficient, and more aligned with your brand's voice and style. Think about the emojis you use, the GIFs you share, and the way you respond to comments. Remember, social media is all about building relationships. So make sure your AI-powered interactions feel genuine, engaging, and human. By striking the right balance between automation and personalization, you can create a social media presence that is both efficient and effective. We all know email marketing is still one of the most effective ways to reach your audience. But let's be honest, crafting compelling email campaigns that get results can be time-consuming. You need to segment your audience, personalize your messaging, and constantly test and tweak to optimize your open and click-through rates. It's enough to make your head spin. But what if I told you there's a way to streamline your email marketing efforts and boost your conversions without pulling all-nighters? You guessed it, ChatGPT is here to save the day. This AI powerhouse can be your secret weapon for crafting personalized email campaigns that convert like crazy. From generating compelling subject lines to writing engaging email copy, ChatGPT can help you create emails that people actually want to open and read. But here's where it gets really interesting. ChatGPT can also help you segment your audience and personalize your messaging at scale. By analyzing your customer data, it can identify different customer segments based on their demographics, interests, and behaviors. This allows you to tailor your email content to each segment's specific needs and interests, increasing your chances of engagement and conversions. It's like having a team of expert email marketers working for you around the clock. And the best part? ChatGPT is constantly learning and evolving. As you track your email campaign performance, you can feed that data back into ChatGPT, allowing it to optimize future campaigns for even better results. Think about the tone you use, the stories you tell, and the emotions you want to evoke. Remember, people buy from people they connect with. By striking the right balance between automation and personalization, you can create email campaigns that not only drive results, but also build lasting relationships with your subscribers. In today's data-driven world, staying ahead of the curve means understanding your market inside and out. But traditional market research methods can be time-consuming, expensive, and let's face it, a little tedious. Sifting through mountains of data, surveys, and focus group transcripts can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But what if I told you there's a faster, smarter way to gather market insights and make data-driven decisions? You guessed it. ChatGPT is here to revolutionize your market research efforts. This AI powerhouse can analyze massive amounts of data from customer feedback, online reviews, social media conversations, and industry reports in a fraction of the time it would take a human team. Imagine being able to instantly identify emerging trends, understand customer sentiment towards your brand and competitors, and uncover hidden opportunities that you might have otherwise missed. That's the power of ChatGPT for market research. But it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT can also help you analyze your existing customer data to identify patterns, predict future behavior, and personalize your marketing efforts. Want to know which customer segments are most likely to purchase your new product? ChatGPT can tell you. Need to identify your most loyal customers to enroll in a VIP program? ChatGPT can help with that too. The possibilities are endless. By leveraging the power of AI, you can gain a deeper understanding of your target audience, make more informed marketing decisions, and ultimately, drive better business outcomes. Remember, data is only as good as your ability to use it effectively. By combining the power of AI with your own human intuition and creativity, you can unlock a whole new level of market understanding and drive your business forward. There you have it, folks. 5 game-changing ways ChatGPT can revolutionize your digital marketing efforts. From content creation to customer support, social media management, email marketing, and even market research, this AI powerhouse has the potential to transform the way you do business. But remember, ChatGPT is just a tool. It's up to you to use it effectively, creatively, and ethically to achieve your marketing goals. The future of marketing is here, and it's powered by AI. So embrace the power of ChatGPT, unlock your marketing potential, and get ready to dominate your niche. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and and subscribe for more great content.